Okay, we're going to see if we can get some bargain crops from our local B&Q store.
The BEP store, Phil.
It's the BEP store. And
BEP's family match this
you
year.
never know what you'll find in here.
Yeah, let's have a look. What have we got over here?
So, yeah.
No, they're $5.50, aren't they, them strawberries? Because we're going to do a new bed.
Yeah,
But didn't we get wind from someone that they've got cheap ones inside?
we might have.
6 in that.
I'm sure we can do better than that, can't we?
So that works out just £100 each, doesn't it?
6 strawberries. We're trying to create a strawberry bed at the allotment.
Healthy though.
Good, aren't they?
Let's go and see if we can
Let's see if we can do better than that.
prices.
Okay.
Come on, Beps. Caution, trip hazard.
Trip hazard. Here we go. Do we need a trolley?
One of these will do.
Will they do?
Yeah, get one of them for now.
I don't think they'll do, Car. Yeah. So, we've been told that if we go down here,
Told us.
we'll find some little bargains. So,
I think we're running like we're doing a marathon.
it looks like it, doesn't it? They've got loads of new crops and plants
So,
in here.
where are the bargain items at?
Ah.
There.
Here we go.
What have we got? Oh, £1. 6 strawberries for £1.
Oh, they're not in good condition.
No, they'll pick up with some seaweed.
We'll have to go through them though, Kath.
Don't rule it out.
Are these all £1?
Yeah,
They're not in too bad a condition. Some of them aren't. Anyway,
they're drying out a bit actually. They need to get water on them. Phil, have a look at them on the opposite side. See if
let's
they're-
go round. All these.
How many do we need?
I can't get in there. Well, we'll get what we can. We'll see if we can rescue.
How many will we need for a full bed?
I don't know. Some are better than others, aren't they? Oh, yes. Yeah, we can rescue these, can't we?
There's a
Great
good
for a
tray.
quid, isn't
See
it?
this one. That's nice.
Yeah. So we'll see if we can get some decent ones for 50p.
Well, they're the same size, aren't they?
Which ones, Kath?
Ones.
Yeah. Okay, they'll do.
All right. Sorry, I'm blocking your way.
Still 6. There's a bit of life in some of these yet, so some of them anyway.
trying to get through all the strawberries. You want to make a really big bed.
Oh, yeah.
An allotment, so
Yeah.
they're not bad at a pound. Nothing a little bit of feeding.
Oh, yeah. Won't they come back next year?
Yeah. Every year. Yeah.
Oh, they will come back, these.
If you look after them.
If you look at it. And you water them, and you feed them.
Yeah.
Definitely. So.
Right.
The best ones. Children.
These little ones for 50p aren't too bad, but they're not as good value, are they?
It's a good one.
Right,
How many have you got, Phil? I've got 3 here.
go on. I've got 4 here.
Mm.
You can get them 2. Them
1, 2, 3, 4.
4. There we go.
Blimey. 1, 2, they're all £6. 1, 2,
So 1, 2, 3,
6, 7.
7 sixes.
7 sixes.
Yeah, there's 6 in 1, 42.
That's £42.
That'd be good enough for a bed.
That hasn't got one in it at all, so
Right, okay, just
that's a good one.
there we go.
That's 42, isn't it?
Mm. Just check that all these plants are alive. Any that aren't, so just
Yeah. It's coming. Most of them have got good leaf coverage, so it should be alright. That one's not too happy.
no.
Okay, so that's how many's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's 9 sixes. That's 54.
54.
Yeah. Oh no, hang on. Yeah, 54. That should do it.
It's a good starter bed, isn't
Yeah.
it? Right, how many do you think you could carry?
I've got 2 in there. So, not one. And that one.
You should have
Isn't that
got
amazing?
£49.50 it would have cost.
That's brilliant. We've also got a gardening channel, so we'll put you up there.
We do a vlog.
There we go. Roughly.
£9. How about that then?
Is that a great bargain, that? It would have been £49.50,
£49.50
and we got the lot for £9
for £9.
in B&Q.
There we go.
Thank you for your review. Very much appreciate it.
You can't complain, can you? And that's our strawberry bed
Done and
on the
dusted.
plot, done in only the way that Merseybeat gardeners know. And this is how gardening should be.
Yeah.
Don't forget to have a
And
look
also, you know, these
in the
plants
cheap aisle of the garden.
in a couple of days
Well,
may have just been composted.
They would have been.
So,
So
it's been a good strawberry rescue.
it has.
That's a lovely bounty, that, isn't it?
Yeah,
It gives you a great feeling of satisfaction, doesn't it?
it does.
Doesn't it though?
Yeah, I think it's brilliant, don't you?
£9
£9.
for nearly £50 worth, and they're all really good. They'll just need a bit of feed and planting out, and
That's
a
all
bit
they need.
of bit of nice compost. TLC, and they'll
And they'll go out
flower
and they
every year.
should give runners out at the
And
end of this
runners,
season.
yeah,
When
in the first year, yeah.
Yeah. So yeah,
Fabulous.
that's our strawberry bed on the plot sorted, and you can join us next
For
time.
another mission, rescue mission. What will the next
We
thing
don't
be?
know what the
Phil?
next thing will be, but the thing is, yeah, we'll film us
But if you want to
getting
get
these in.
strawberries or make a new strawberry bed, get yourself down to any B&Q, wherever
Or
you
not
are.
just B&Q, any garden
Any
centre.
garden centre now at this time
Any
of
garden
year.
centre at this time of year,
Yeah.
and look in the cheap aisle. Don't dismiss
No,
cheap offers on plants,
because these
because you get massive savings.
are
And
fabulous.
to be honest, everything's overpriced these days anyway, isn't it? You need to be shopping as cheaply as you can when you do allotment gardening, don't you think? Kath?
Well, with anything today.
With everything today.
Still in a
so
financial crisis for all of us.
these will last us at least. We'll get 3 years harvesting off this.
Oh, more. I think
these
on average,
plants.
I mean, because we're replenishing a bed and making a brand new one now, aren't we? But on average, our strawberry plants have given us, what, 4 or 5 years?
Yeah, they have.
Harvest cropping.
And then you've got the runners that you can.
But then you can use the runners.
Supplant these when these are finished, so you always have ongoing crops.
Yeah, and lovely fresh strawberries in the summer.
If you
Can't
manage
beat
it well, you can keep a strawberry.
Strawberry patch can go on forever.
Yeah, it can.
If you're on it.
Literally,
Yeah, you've got
20,
time
30 years or whatever.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next vlog.
Yeah.
Bye.